Well, I am going to talk about a character sketch of Mosca in Volpone by Ben Jonson. Mosca is one of the important characters of the play Volpone by Ben Jonson. He is a gadfly, he is a parasite, he has many traits and features in his character. Mosca is a sincere servant of Volpone. He serves the selfish ends of Volpone most of the time. He is rightly described as one a step higher in social scale than the three three deformed fools of the household of Volpone: the dwarf, the hermaphrodite, and the eunuch. Mosca is socially deformed, a fellow of no birth or blood. In the play, we find that Mosca acts as a servant, as a sincere servant, as a faithful servant of Volpone. He is totally dependent upon Volpone. Hence, Mosca symbolizes flesh fly, a parasite, one who depends upon other most of the time. Mosca does what Volpone wishes. Mosca fulfills the desire, the ambition, the wish of his master, Volpone. When Volpone fakes illness and declares that he is sick and he wants to pass on his estate, his inheritance to anyone who lavishes him with rich gifts. In order to please Volpone, three legacy hunters come one by one. They are Walter, Corbaccio, and Corbino. Mosca deals with all the three legacy hunters, legacy seekers individually and very wisely and cleverly. Mosca convinces all the three legacy seekers legacy hunters one by one, that his master is pleased with him and he will make him his successor, his heir. In the play, disguise plays important role. There are disguises from the beginning to the end of the play. And Mosca is master of disguise. He is expert in the art of disguising himself in order to play his role. That's why Mosca tells all the three legacy hunters, legacy seekers, such as Voltaire, Corbacieux, and Corvino, that his master Volpone is pleased with him, and he will pass on his estate to them, making him his heir, one by one. So Mosca is very deceitful. He is expert in duping others, in cheating others. Now, Mosca always tries to defend his master, Volpone. When Bonario and Celia bring charges against Volpone, Mosca tries his best to defend his master, to save his master from the charges of Bonario and Celia. Bonario and Celia accuse Volpone that he has raped Celia. Mosca comes forward to defend Volpone and seeks help from Voltaire, the lawyer, the advocate. So Mosca is expert in cheating others, but he does not spare even his master Volpone when the time comes. When Volpone goes to be full and laugh at the three legacy seekers, legacy hunters, to quote the word, to glot them in disguise, Volpone makes Mosca his heir. He declares that he has made Mosca his heir and he is no more in the world. When Mosca inherits his wealth, his estate, once he refuses to return it to Volpone. So Mosca is true to none. Mosca is faithful to none. He is faithful not to even his master, Volpone. When the time comes, Mosca teaches Volpone a befitting lesson. So, Mosca is a typical character of Volpone. He is a parasite, he is a gadfly, he symbolizes disguise, cheating, fraud, and many other negative things. To conclude, Mosca is an important character of Volpone. He serves the end of his master Volpone, and towards the end of the play, he serves his own end, proving to be a cheat, a fraud. So Mosca plays significant role in the development of the play Volpone. Mosca has become immortal character in the literature of English, in English literature. Thanks.